The scene at Christchurch Cathedral like a funeral, not for one person, but for the nearly 9,400 British Columbians lost to toxic drugs in the 6 years since the province declared a public health emergency. One of them, 26-year-old Ryan Hedekin.
I don't have words in my vocabulary to tell you how much I miss my son. And to know 6 other families will have our reality for the rest of our lives 6 years later is disgusting.
People are dying at a rate the chief coroner calls unprecedented and terrifying. 6 people every day. To try to stop the deaths, BC has focused on treatment and harm reduction and has asked Ottawa to let it decriminalize personal possession.
By midsummer, the numbers of people who have died since 2016 here in BC will be 10,000.
At this rally in Victoria, almost everyone has lost a loved one.
We need to see our government step up equally in response as we've seen to the pandemic in this province.
The provincial government does not need to wait for the federal government to effectively make the drugs decriminalized in BC. We don't need an exemption. Mike Farnsworth can tell the police to back off today.
The safe supply in BC currently only available for short periods of time to a small number of people who have a prescription.
We need to see safe supply expanded, not as some treatment for some disease, but as a way to save people's lives. And that could happen with a flick of a pen.
Many of the people dying are young, and they're getting younger. 6 people who died last month were under the age of 19, and people are angry.
I got a message for you, Premier Horgan. My son relapsed. And you know where our system was for him? They steered him right to organized crime.
On this 6-year anniversary, loved ones of those who have died say the province that declared the crisis isn't acting like there is one.